Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually delete your social club account from a Rockstar. Now what this will do, it will delete all the progress inside the games and it will delete your account details. Now the first step that you want to do is open up the games launcher on your PC and head down and log into your account. Now from there you go down to your settings right here, and inside these settings you get a couple of options. Now we go to the left where it says account information. In the account information you have a delete local profile. Now as you can see, this will remove your locally saved social club profile data, and as you can see, please note this data is required for offline play but can be regenerated when signing in again when connecting to the internet. So that's it. Simply press delete and it will delete your local profile and you can start your games over. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.